Go ahead, day, go ahead, day. The sun is shining brightly down on us today. And it's a lovely day, go ahead, day. I cannot imagine what I could do the day, go ahead, day. It's a lovely, lovely day, when you're with a friend you like a lot, indeed. It could not be any more important. Go ahead, day, go ahead, day. The sun is shining brightly down on. All five of them were best friends, but they were lost on a planet called the Bird Planet, and they did not know how to get home. Dan and Kid were having a ride at a giant bird, and they were having fun. Dan said to Kid, "Do you want to land the bird?" The Kid said, "Not quite yet. Can we ride some more?" Dan said, "Okay." Then the Kid said, "Oh, actually, let's land the bird. I'm tired." Dan said, "Okay." Dan and Kid were back at the cave where they lived, and they said hi to their friends, and their friends said hi to them. Dan said, "Hi, Jackie. How are you doing?" Jackie said, "I'm doing fine." Dan said, "Okay, how could you not want to try riding the bird?" Jackie said, "I just don't feel like it." Dan said, "Do you want to go and do something?" Jackie said, "Like what?" Dan said, "I don't know here." Jackie said, "Well, that's not very helpful." Later that day, they decided that they were going to go for a walk, and they were going to have fun on the walk. Jackie said to Dana, "What does it say?" Dana said, "I'll read it. It says here this was a monument made by the moon people. These were people that worshipped the moon, but somehow they fled. Jackie said, "Why did they flee?" Dana said, "I'll read some more. It says here they fled because of that reason. They didn't want to live here anymore. So they just put this monument saying they didn't want to live here anymore." Jack said, "Oh, I see. So there are people who live on the island, but we haven't seen them?" David said, "I guess so." Okay, basically something happened. The moon shined light on the statue, and the statue shone a light to another part of the ground. So they said they would follow that light. Jackie said to David, "What is it?" David said, "I don't know. It looks like a ball." Jackie said, "How about you open it?" David said, "Okay, I'll open it." David opened the box, and he reached inside what was in the box and pulled out what was inside the box. It was just that plastic coin. They were worth nothing. So Jackie said, "How about we just go home?" David said, "Yeah, let's go home." When they got home, they basically had a fire on the beach, and they cooked their dinner over the open fire. For dinner, they had chicken, and it was delicious. Afterwards, they sat and they socialized a bit. Later on at night, they decided they were tired, so they were going to go to bed. So they basically put out the fire and they were going to go to bed. It basically was the next day, and it was a lovely day. The sun was shining brightly that day. It was a nice day. Dan said to Kid, "It is a nice day." Kid said, "Yeah, it is a nice day." Dan said, "It is nice, isn't it?" Kid said, "It kind of reminds me of a song." Dan said, "Okay, let's hear it." Lovely day, a gorgeous day indeed, and the sun is shining brightly on this lovely day, and there's not a cloud in sight or a frown on anyone. It's a gorgeous day, A gorgeous day, a gorgeous day indeed. And the sun is shining brightly this day. And there's not a frown in sight. And you're with the people that do mean the world to you. Dana said to Kilai, that was a nice song you sung. Let's go and see what the rest of our friends want to do. Kiss okay. A gorgeous day today, a gorgeous day indeed. The sun is shining brightly down on us today. And it's a lovely day today, a gorgeous day indeed. I cannot imagine what nice day is there. The day a gorgeous day indeed. It's a lovely, lovely day indeed. When you're with a friend you like a lot indeed. It could not be any